Student, it is just in the continuation when we have been discussing act third, an important part. Now scene 3 is also very important. Now what is the reason behind it? Because we come to know about the Shylock's intention, malicious intention, and he is very stony hearted. He has decided to take revenge upon Antonio. So, scene 3, though it is very small scene, yet we come to know about his villainy, and then we will also have better understanding, better knowledge about poetic justice, how these malicious people, they would be punished in Shakespearean romantic comedy. And so is the case in human life. So it is relevant to the human connectivity or human relativity or human relations in the whole world. Therefore, in scene 3, we have important development. I mean, this is a very, good way, easier way to, for your better understanding, that Shylock, he's so jubilant and he's very happy, when he came to know about Antonio's bankruptcy. So then we again come to scene 4, which is very, very significant, and where so many, important developments in scene 4. And now, first of all, it tells us about Portia's generosity, and she would appear in men's attire. I mean, this is her disguise. The theme of disguise is also very significant so far as scene 4 is concerned. And this scene is very important, as I commenced, especially with this scene, because Portia's characteristic features, her virtues, they are highlighted in this scene. And she is so prompt to help Antonio, and she has passion to help others, especially Antonio, and who is Bassanio's friend. So this is the reason behind it. But the spirit, godly spirit that Shakespeare has highlighted in this. And yeah, now when we talk about scene 4, we have integrating all the important plots, merging one plot with other. Yes, this is the development of plot. And we have important theme also, theme of honesty, when earlier in scene 3, that she her loyalty to her father. And then we have say her characteristic features, her brilliance and her intuition. Intuition is also very important, that she must move to Venice to help Antonio, her balance of mind. And Bassanio also, he appears before us as an intelligent, passionate person. So these are certain important points that we must focus. And see, when we talk about, say, scene 4, in which, Portia, see, here it is when I started here, because this is very, very important utterance and we have already discussed it. But you must know that in the context of this, the characters as well as theme, that her character, she is she's describing the spirit of love and friendship. It is from your heart, from your spirit. It's not just outward show, and just for the sake of pomp and show. You must have intensity when you are really in love with somebody, or if you have developed affinity, be it your sister, your brother, or say any other father. And that's why her loyalty to her father is also reflected in this scene 4. Now we will yeah, this scene is also important from the point of view of Lorenzo Jessica episode, because merging all the plots, several plots together, is the point here. And when the prayer of contemplation, see, this is very, very important. Now she's giving charge of her house to Lorenzo and Jessica. Yes, this is the point, actually, development of plot. Until my Lord return, for mine own part. And this is, do you remember when I touched this point, spirituality? She Now she is not disclosing the reason that she is going to help Antonio over there in Venice. As a lawyer, she would appear in disguise. She here, she points out that I have toward heaven. Yes, this is the secret view to prayer and contemplation. This is what exactly her preference of spirituality, and that's why she's full of human virtues, worldly wisdom, and only attended by Nerissa here until her husband. So we come to know, the audience also and readers, that now she is leaving for Venice, but she is giving charge to Lorenzo and Jessica. Now we have, scene 5 also here. I would like to, this is very small scene, and Lancelot, he stays there with Jessica, and Lorenzo, Jessica, they are, they are living there, and they have been given the charge of the house, Portia's house. Okay, so these are important development of plot, and we come to know about these important aspect, that you must always be very particular about these issues and the worldly wisdom, the theme, and the development of plot. And yes, the characters, that these characters, they have been highlighted throughout. Thank you. We'll continue.